So something I did when I started, either the first thing of the day or the last thing of the day, I was getting paid by the hour. But I would come in and I would just hurry to get there. And sometimes I get there just a little bit early and I'd go where everybody's trash can and I'd go dump it so they could start with empty trash cans. Now, if I got done early the day before and I had everything caught up and I had time, I'd do it before I left. But I would always try to make sure everybody's trash cans was empty in the whole shop so that everybody could start out fresh with an empty trash can. And that's just something I did, and it was just a work ethic that I did. Now, I would always go through and I'd also grab the mop buckets and I would make sure they all had clean mop water and the mops were clean, and just something I did, and it made everybody's life so much easier because if you have a mess while you're trying to get a repair job done and you need to clean it up, you don't want to take time to have to clean the mop and the mop bucket to be able to clean the mess that you made. So I'd always try to make sure all that stuff was done. If the drain pans were full, I'd always try to empty their drain pans if my job was taken care of. Now, I wouldn't go in there and do that stuff if I had work waiting on me. If I had oil changes and rotations and slight repair waiting on me when I first started, I would do the work I had to do first. But I would always try to get there early enough that I could get that stuff done before they started giving me the work. I knew they was gonna start giving me work at a certain time. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.